Hello and welcome to the Ultimate Knowledge Channel. Flags have been used for centuries to represent nations, organizations, and causes. They are symbols of identity, pride, and solidarity. But what does the future hold for flags? How might they evolve and change to represent the global issues that we face today? Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time. As the planet heats up, we may see flags used to represent the fight against climate change. Flags could feature symbols of renewable energy, such as wind turbines and solar panels, or they could showcase the natural beauty of our world, such as oceans and forests. Human rights and social justice are also important global issues. Flags could be used to represent the fight for equality, such as the LGBTQ+ flag, or they could represent movements for racial justice and the rights of marginalized groups. As we continue to explore space and push the boundaries of technology, flags could be used to represent the achievements of humanity. Flags could feature symbols of space exploration, such as rockets and planets, or they could showcase the latest advancements in science and technology.
So, what do you think the future of flags will look like?
I believe that flags will continue to evolve and change as our world changes. We may see more flags that represent global issues such as climate change and human rights, as well as advancements in technology and space exploration. But one thing that will never change is the importance of flags as symbols of identity and pride.
The future of flags is uncertain, but one thing is for sure, they will continue to represent the values and ideals that are important to us as a global community. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell.